Hi! I'm watching video footage from today, and Bryce is trying madly to upload a photo of something to Facebook, and you can tell by the expression on his face that he's having much success. Yeah. It's snowing like the Dickens. It's like deep now, and the internet has been very intermittent tonight, so it is like...
the picture.
Oh yeah, there's the picture. Check that out. That's my car out front. Yeah. And that was taken hours ago. Anyway, it is 1:11 in the a.m. on Wednesday morning, and we've had a very adventurous day. So we're going to go to bed. I would just like to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. Now don't let Santa lick your toes, because if you give him a chance, he'll do it.
You have a room key?
I do. I have the room key.
Mine's upstairs.
Okay. Here's Bryce. He's a happy camper. Neither snow, nor more snow shall keep me from my appointed cup of joe. We are headed down to Coffee Brewster's for a cup of joe topped with snow, obviously. It's deep. How do you go about cleaning a ton of snow off your windshield? One flake at a time. We just got back from shooting all kinds of stuff around the complex and in all different units for the video and the page I'm putting up on Uniquely Portland, Oregon. I'm kind of tired. Walking around the snow makes you tired, or it makes me tired. Anyway,
makes you want to sit around in your underwear.
It does. I'm lounging in my Lancelot Link Sacred Chimp underoos right now. And no, you can't see them. I know you want to, but that's just perverted. Anyway, I'm revising the hours on a person's ad on the Oregon Coast page for them. And Bryce is over there making us some, are those turkey burgers or what are those?
They are Angus beef burgers.
They are Angus beef burgers, and he's adding bacon and
Angus
cheese.
Beef, not low fat, about to be more not low fat.
Yay! No low fat makes
cheddar
me
cheese,
a happy boy. And cheddar
bacon,
cheese.
and I'm gonna put Frank's Red Hot sauce on mine.
Yeah, you just keep that to yourself.
Because I put that beep on everything.
That's right. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna be getting out of here anytime soon. You'll see Bryce's vlog of me being a fool in the car trying to actually get out of here. Decide that I'm gonna go down for coffee, which turned into a big freaking joke. Yeah, look, it's coming down and it's continuing.
With the camera rolling.
Yeah, they'll see my embarrassment soon enough. Shut up. So how much has it snowed? What did Pat say?
They said it was 24 inches, 2 feet up at Timberline. That's standard. For those of you that aren't on the metric system, 24 feet is 24 inches is 2 feet. So that's 2 feet of snow dropped at Timberline Lodge, and that is really just maybe 10 miles away from here. And then it headed down here, it followed us down here, so now it's easily a foot of snow, foot and a half of snow outside our back door right here and out in the parking lot. And we found out that vibes don't float on top of snow.
And I could have swore I had asked the salesman if they did, and he said they did. I'm taking that freaking thing back! So they're supposed to be plowing our roads sometime today or this evening or something. They're supposed to be getting on some kind of circuit that they'll be doing it as much as need be, which right now I would say is much need be. Yeah?
Yeah, well, we had just walked out on the road, and they had not plowed the road when we walked over to that other unit to film it. And then they had plowed it evidently while we were in there, and there was already like another inch of snow on top of that. So what do you do? I mean, how do you stay on top of that?
So I'm seriously going for no, and I'm going to call Coffee Brewsters and see if they deliver. That's probably why I'm so freaking grumpy. I haven't had any coffee today, and me without.
Swill. I'm about to fix him some of my Sunday swill.
He has no shame. He has absolutely no shame. He will drink motor oil if it has some caffeine in it. Yes, look at that Fabuloso filter.
To be clear, though, we're not.
That used to be gold. Now it's kind of bronze, if that.
We're using these.
So it looks like we're packing up and making a mad break for it. We weren't supposed to leave until Thursday, but they are starting to mow down the streets, and they just cleared out the driveway. And how do you dodge snow? You just got to either do it or you don't. And there's no indication that this is going to let up. So we just got to take the best opportunity we have and get out of Dodge. I'm on Highway 26 right now, headed home. So yeah, we kind of wanted to play it safe, checked out 2 days early, and there is nothing on the road right now, as you can see, but wetness. No slush, no snow. All the snow's off the side of the road, which is awesome. Still playing a little bit safe, still a little bit paranoid after that monstrosity this morning on trying to get to the coffee shop. But after we got out of our parking lot and off of the back roads to the resort, it's free and clear now. So I'm traveling at 50 miles an hour right now, just avoiding big puddles of water so I don't hydroplane, and I'm on my way home. It was a fun trip, but I am so ready for my own bed. I love you, Bryce. Good times. See you, bro. And everybody else, see you too. Bye.